guys, today I'm going to open this cool photo frame. Let's get started, guys. First I'm going to give you a close look at this box. It says make 2 photo frames. This box has 6 stickers and 5 markers and has 6 wood shapes and much more building stuff. Let's open this up. Open. Ooh, these are cool pieces. Let's dump them down. Whoa. Ah! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, we got the same pink we got last time. That pink got spoiled, so I got another kind of pink. It's the same. Let's collect the markers. Whoa, there's 5 color markers. So pretty and they're really bright. Guys, we have all our things ready. Let's start. First, let's open the instructions and read it. We have to apply this thing to the wooden thing, and I think we have to take the sticker off. So sticky and soft. So done with the pink, I'm gonna go to the purple. Now I'm going to stick the googly eyes. There they are. Oh, it's googly eyes. I'll stick the googly eye. That's so cute. Here's another one. I'm going to put it. They look so cute. Once upside down, color these characters. I'm going to start with yellow. I'm done coloring my characters. Now I'm going to design my heart in. And I'm popping another one. It's so hard. There. Okay, now I'm going to do some design. It's so cute. Very cute. We have like 4 hearts now. So I have 2 photos I want to put in the frame. First, I want to put my friends because they're my best friends. So they have a hole here. You can put them in. And I'm putting the picture in. That looks cool. Awesome! Now the first picture is done. I'm going to do the second one. my cute brother and that's it. My frames are ready and my decoration is ready. So I'm gonna put these on here. I'm gonna use these double stickers to put them on. Like this. I'm thinking like this, so I'm gonna put my stickers on now. I'm gonna put this one over here. So cute. So I already stick this. Now this one. This is my Harshi and Merlin. That's my brother's name. And I'm gonna put this here. There, that's so cute. This is me and my brother. My brother was like so small. My brother doesn't even know how to crawl, even walk or run that time. These are my best friends. My baby brother's in his swing. That was my swing, but now we let my brother keep it. Now my two photo frames are so pretty and cute. I'm so happy. I'm gonna put this wood so it can stand. There's a hole here, so I have to put in the hole. So cool. Now another one. They both look so cool. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to watch more of my videos, go down and you'll see a red subscribe button. Touch and go if you love my videos. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Bye, and I love you.